Guys, once again we are back again, and my name is Philip, and this is my YouTube channel. Now, kindly subscribe to my channel. I have a very big content coming up very soon. And it is entitled Time with a Creative. Yes, that is where we are going to learn a lot of things to grow in the graphic design business. Yes, a lot of creatives out there, they are facing a challenge of pricing or charging their clients, and how to get clients and maintain clients, and a whole lot more. So kindly subscribe to the channel, and then we have a lot to learn together. Alright, so today you can see I have a very nice design on my screen, and we are going to recreate this design. Yes, I created this design, and a lot of people were asking me how I got a very catchy image for the model in this design. So I'm going to do everything from scratch, so that you can also learn some few tips and tricks on your journey. Alright, so without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so with our background selected in Photoshop, it is 10 by 10 inches. Yes, so the background I actually use in this design, you can go by creating it yourself, or because I want the video to be short, I'm just going to load it, and you can also get it from Pinterest. Pinterest. So place embed, and let me go into my downloads. I have a couple of backgrounds here, and I think I have a lot of them here. You can just click on this one, and it is going to load. Sorry guys about my voice, I have a little cold. But we still have to put some content out there. So yes, now we have our image here, and it's looking very small, so we are going to scale it to fit the background. I think it's okay. Yes, and then we are going to, now this is what I do sometimes, I just add a little of levels to the because it's too bright. So I'll just click on it, come to edit, image, come to adjustment, and come to levels, and then I'll drag this one inside a little, set it to, let's say 5, and I think that is okay. Alright, so guys, with that said, you are done with the background. You can just lock it, and then let me bring the host for the program in this design. So let me look for his picture, and I think I have it somewhere. Guys, pardon me. Where is this guy? Sorry guys, I think I have the picture here rather. I think his image should be here. Yes. So we have the image here. Alright, so this is what you're gonna do. Let's reduce the size a little. Now there is this trick to take off backgrounds, and it is very simple, very simple. So what you're going to do is, with the image selected, you come to the layer panel and right click and set it to rasterize layer, and you rasterize it, and then you come to the property panel. Then you have quick actions. There you have remove background, select subject. So you just click on remove background, and it will perform the magic for you. Okay, today my machine is running slow. Yes, just forgive me about that. So guys, this is what we have, and I think I don't want some part of the image in this design, so I'm going to just select some parts and clear some parts from the design. Yes, so after selecting, I'll just right click and choose that, and select it to copy. Sorry guys, and cut. Yes, so I want the head alone, so I'll just delete the other part and then click on remove background again to take off the background from the head. Yes, so guys, this is what I wanted. Now I'm just going to scale it to fit the other side of the design. Scale it like so, drag it, scale it like so. Yes, now guys, now this is what you are going to do. This is what you are supposed to do when you have the image and you want it to be very bright. We send the image to filter, like camera raw filters. Yes, so this is what you are going to do. Let's wait for our camera raw to load. So I think I'm using 12.3 version or 13 point something version of camera raw. Yes, so now this is what you're supposed to do. We have the exposure and everything, the contrast, the highlights, the shadows, the whites, the blacks, texture, clarity, the haze, the hell, vibrance and saturation, and a lot more. So if you want it to stand out, you just increase the exposure a little, like so, and the contrast, you increase the contrast a little, and then the highlights, increase it a little. The blacks, you drag it backwards like so, and then the texture, you increase it to 40 to anywhere you want, and then the clarity a little. Yes, now when you're done, you can come to I think I did a video on how to do this intense dramatic portrait effect. So I'll load the preset and then I'll show you the settings. So anytime you are doing it, you can just look at the settings from my channel and do the same thing. So let's load our preset. So it is already here. So there's intense dramatic portrait effect. So let's open it and let's see the effect. So I'll do the other magic. So these are the settings we have here. We have 40 exposure, 40 contrast plus 50. You have all the settings here like so. So if you want to do same, you can copy the settings from here and you are good to go. Alright, so let's click on OK and it will load. So I don't like that effect too much in it, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the brightness like so, and then we are good to go. Alright, so guys, that's it for the image. Now let's come to our write-up or the typography and everything. Now I also added some few lights in the design, and let me look for it from this guy so that the video will not be long. So I'll pick it from here, drag it into the artwork and click here, increase it, bring it here, increase it like so, as we like there is a reflection of the sun onto his face. And then so I'll just double click Ctrl J to duplicate it and drag this one to drag it this end like so. I think this one too is reflecting too much. I'll drag it a little backwards and we are good to go. So let me lock the sun and everything, and we are good to go. So guys, now let's come to our text, and then let me set the writer to a little black and choose Gotham. Gotham is very good for writing name of churches and everything. So without much ado, I don't want the video to be very long, so I'm just so I'll type EA Ministries. EA Ministries, and EA Ministries, reduce it. Now this font is a font family, so I don't want this thing. I'll choose medium like so, and Yes, so I'll just duplicate and write present, and reduce this one a little, reduce it again, and then come to this VA and kernel it like so, and I'll choose book for that one. Alright, so the book, I'll also add a little bold to it, and we are good to go. Alright, so I'll select the name of the church and the present and adjust it a little. Yes, so adjust it like so, and then bring it here like that, and we are good to go. Alright, so the program title is Zama Praise, Zama Worship Section. Alright, so we are going to type our Zama in like so, Zama, yes, like so, yes, then drag this and type our worship like so, yes. Now set everything to bold, ultra, and then I'll increase the Zama, yes, like so, yes. And then the spacing between the Zama and the worship is too huge, so what I'm going to do is I'll reduce the spacing or the gap between the text like so, yes, and then we are good to go. So let me just reduce the size to fit in the design. Yes, so I think this is okay. Yes, so with the section, let me duplicate this text and then type my session, yes, session up, yes, and then I'll choose autograph. Let me just type it in the long I use, so this autograph, and then I'll bring it on top here like so. I think this part is okay. Alright guys, now so you can leave it. This one is even looking nice. You can add more effect to the text. Okay, so I'm gonna do a little effect to the text here real quick. So I'll just come to the FX here and choose gradient overlay and okay, so I think we have a hand. Alright, so we are going to quickly perform this. Yes, so I think this is okay, guys. So you can see the effect. Now I'm not done with the text effect, so there's another thing you can do to this text to make it very nice, very catchy or something. Yeah, so you can come to the FX again and you choose inner glow. Yeah, inner glow. Now the size is too much, so I'll just reduce the size like so, okay. It's not working for this text unless I increase the size. Alright guys, so that is all we have for today. Yes, the video is already long and I know you guys will kill me here, so you can choose to write your date and everything in the space provided here and you are good to go. Now subscribe again, subscribe and subscribe. Peace out.